is how our team of professionals at FD Curtains and Blinds Singapore perform the curtain installation process efficiently. Step 1. Remove the existing curtains. Our team will carefully take down the old curtains to assess the space for the new installation. Step 2. Do the marking. Mark where the brackets will be installed to ensure the curtain rod is level and centered properly. Step 3. Install the brackets. Secure the brackets at the marked points to ensure the brackets are firmly fixed and evenly aligned. Step 4. Attach the curtain track. Once the brackets are in place, the curtain track rod will be attached to the brackets and secure the alignment and stability. Step 5. Install the curtains. The curtains will be installed to ensure a clean, elegant finish that complements the space while providing functionalities such as privacy, light control, and insulation. Check out the difference before and after our curtain installation process. Need reliable and efficient curtain installation services in Singapore? Schedule your appointment via WhatsApp at 82410032.